can't film in here.
Says who?
Me, because I'm the filming person.
So they explained to you the filming permit to do this here. So we have a
What law is that?
You have a permit?
What's the law? You don't know about the First Amendment, sir.
The First
You don't know
Amendment?
that photography is not a crime. You don't know that we're allowed to film in public as free press, as covered under the First Amendment. You don't know that.
They're not even saying anything.
Is that what you guys do? You guys call the police on people taking pictures out here? You guys can go back to work with your little ticket book, ready to write tickets, ready to take people to jail.
Sir. Hello.
Hey, don't touch my camera. What's wrong with you?
You can't videotape here. It's a federal building.
For the rights of the people, man. The rights of the people, dude. That's it.
I didn't give you permission. So what are you doing here today?
I just said I don't answer questions. Do you not understand English?
Oh, I understand English perfectly fine.
Then why would you ask me another question if I just said I don't answer questions?
I'm asking what you're doing here.
I don't
can
answer
ask you all you
questions.
want.
I don't answer questions. You can't trespass me from federal property.
Can I talk to you?
You better back the fuck up, bitch.
Can I talk to you, please?
No.
What's going on?
Get the fuck on.
I just want to talk to you.
Back up. Back up.
Can I talk to you?
No, you can't. Back up.
Why not?
Go away.
What's going on?
Go away. What law am I breaking?
You're not breaking any laws
Then why are you asking me for ID?
because it's a call for service.
And what? So I gotta give that to you?
Yes, sir. You are required to.
Oh yeah? Okay, hold on. Let me give that to you right now. Go back to
see your
work.
ID?
Go back to work. What is the law that I'm breaking?
You're not breaking any laws.
Okay, well then fuck off. Can you back up a little bit?
No. Just recording everything. What's going on?
Yeah, can you back up? A little bit close, good.
That's cool. They ask you to leave?
No, how close do you have to be to try to intimidate me, punk? Get that light out of my camera. You're violating the Bain Act right now. So what's your goal here? You trying to take us to jail or what?
I don't know.
Well, what's
You
your
tell
goal?
me.
Well, are you guys trying to get us to leave? What is it? You haven't asked me to do anything.
They don't want you here.
You haven't asked me to do anything.
She doesn't want you.
You- What is your goal?
You're trespassing.
What is your goal? What is your goal? Because you're uneducated. That's why you never seen one here. Salam mahala.
My concern is a terrorist threat. Shalom hala. I don't know what that means. It's not terrorist.
Can you translate what that means for her? Maybe put.
I don't answer questions.
I'm gonna give you some peaceful advice.
I'm going to give you some peaceful advice, and you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law, sir. In the court of law. You have the right to an attorney to back your ass up, so you better think twice before you open your mouth, sir. I'm in public. You have a nice day.
Thank you for being.
Thank
rude.
you, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a
does
good
not
day,
want you
sir.
going past
You
the
can walk
wall.
away, sir.
Have a
You
nice
can
day.
walk away.
What can we do for you today? What can we do for you today?
Dude, I just took the light out of your fucking face. Are you stupid or what?
I'm taking it out of yours.
All right. Well, don't be stupid. What the fuck? I'm trying to be respectful. I took the light out of your face, and you go and shine your light in my camera?
What's going on?
Nothing. Go away. Go away.
Here's the thing.
We're not on private property. This is your property lane right there. Now go away. If there's no sign, we're coming back up. I'm telling you, deputy.
Well, I'll tell you what. If there's not a sign, I'm going to go get one right now and just...
No,
because-
you know.
because
It has to be an
for some
official
reason,
sign. It has to
someone
be
knocked
posted.
it down.
It has to be posted by the city. It has to have penal codes on it. And if there's no sign, I'm coming back. Thank you. Have a good night. Have a good night. Have a good night. Go away. This is fucking ridiculous. This is a waste of taxpayers' money right here.
That's what we're taking photos of.
None of your business. Look at this shit.
Just taking photos. Stay on the sidewalk.
Are you on the sidewalk? Are you on the sidewalk? No, you're not on the fucking sidewalk, are you? Don't be giving me fucking orders if you're not going to follow the same thing you're trying to fucking preach, bitch. You should have set an example for all these officers. That's what you should have done. How many officers does it take for one cameraman? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Fucking bully ass police. What'd you all come out here for? What'd you all come out here for? For a camera guy or what?